and I'm here to talk about something that's been growing in me since the past few years, which I lately realized is that it's nothing but a dream which will make me the person I want to be in the future. Also, this is the first time I'm revealing it to someone other than my parents. So keep this secret to yourself so no one grabs my idea before I launch them. I'm here to talk about my biggest dream and how I'll reach it. Youngest inventor, that's exactly how I want to be called, since I haven't heard any famous inventors being one when they were in school. They probably did only in their later years. A dream, what is it all about? You might want to know. It all started a few years ago, as I've been spending every summer holiday in Mumbai since the time I was 5. As I have no screen time, only a few minutes, I would sit for hours peeking through the window or standing on my 17th floor balcony checking the world around. Mumbai, the city of skyscrapers. Anywhere you turn, it's nothing but a concrete world out there. The whole day you hear knocks, laborers screaming conversations, drills, and a few thuds. Every year in my short holiday visit, I would see foundations with billboards, and the next visit, the building is already done. I was fascinated by the process of constructing the building. More than anything, it was the heavy equipment that they use, like cranes and excavators, that grabbed my attention. What object goes down or what object comes up loaded, and how it's all done by a person sitting inside a small cabin. What exactly is in that cabin? Will I ever get a sneak peek of it? I thought. I got super curious to know about the technology used. So much manpower working under the sun and rain all day long. Why are we slogging so much? Why can't someone ease their work? So here was the birth of my dream. My dream is to bring massive changes into machinery and technologies. For instance, introducing automatic cranes and excavators. No more crowded manpower required in the futuristic AI world. My machinery will turn out unique with all voice-oriented or a button-away feature. Now I have a vision of what I want to do, but how am I going to achieve it? With every 15 minutes of screen time I get, I only wish to browse through crane and excavator brands and its features, but I hardly found any automated machinery and none made in India. So why not I launch my brand in my country? How am I going to achieve it? Dreams don't come just by vision. Instead, you should work hard on it. So I worked on plans, ideas, and drawings on what I want my machinery to look like, with their new specifications and features compared to what currently exists. This isn't an I dream. I dream all day. This is a dream I see with my eyes wide open. I am both a dreamer and a doer. If I don't build my dreams, someone will hire me to build theirs, which I wouldn't be happy about. Achieving it is proving to yourself that you're capable of even more than you've imagined. In the upcoming years, once my plans and ideas and finances are in place, I will register my brand. I have recently heard of angel investors too, who will invest in my startup if they think it's appropriate and worth spending on. Dream, believe, achieve. If I am capable of achieving my dreams, you are too. Which means, if I am capable of achieving my dreams in this such young age, you are too. Any kind of dream doesn't matter, big or small. All that matters is you have to be passionate about it and ready to give it a shot. Thank you for patiently listening to me and my futuristic dream. Have a great day ahead. Oh, shit.